action.
You good? You good?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm serious.
So like we bought this microwave from Facebook, right? And it's like for $20. It's from a camper. It's like really brand new and all that good stuff, right? That weekend, told Mike like, it was like we got Saturday, right? Saturday, this Sunday, huh? And that weekend, they like Mike over he experienced this paranormal actually a dream, right? That actually it was just weird because usually which I get like it's something has never been like a weird experience with that, right? This time after microwave that it's a haunted microwave and it's right like in October too, so it's like Halloween, you know? Halloween your microwave that they just had, and he experienced this really weird paranormal dream. And I started experiencing such weird things too. After you get rid of microwave, take more like you just kind of like like microwave that, and then we put it out into like the backyard where like the recycle microwave or somebody microwave you buy it yeah. And then we're good. Now we got a brand new microwave from Walmart, so we're good now. Yeah.
So, the moment you got rid of the microwave, you no longer experienced anything.
Kind of, not really. Yeah, pretty much.
So, do you think maybe it was just a coincidence?
Man.
At the same time?
I really think that's the microwave because...
How can a microwave be possessed?
You don't know who has been using it.
First of all,
that's so funny. Huh?
What kind of microwave was it?
It's a lot of you know how spirits is about energy, right?
Yeah.
And you know how microwaves it's about electrons, energy. You don't know who has been using the microwaves.
I think it's just probably a defect, and microwaves are probably too drunk.
But then that night we were not drinking.
I think
Sunday night we were not drinking. He experienced this Sunday night. So.
But he thinks that there's a ghost that lives in the laundry room.
Huh?
He thinks that there's a ghost living in the laundry room watching
Who?
him.
Who?
Mike.
Downstairs?
Yeah.
He thinks there's the one in our closet too.
For real? Then.
it's just Mike.
So
Maybe
tell us
Mike
about
is the monster.
So maybe
Mike is the monster?
Mike is the haunted microwave.
So maybe then he has been using that microwave
And what is our conclusion of this haunted, horrifying story?
Dude, no, seriously, Mike thinks
the
there's a
microwave was not haunted.
The microwave is haunted.
Okay, how much did you buy the microwave for?
$20.
How much did you sell it for?
We just threw it away, dude.
You wasted $20.
No, man, it's haunted.
This crime is inconclusive. This is inconclusive.
Yeah. Told you experience weird things in the following weekend.
It's just Mike.
Really?
You wasted $20 on a brand decent.
Oh well, we got a new microwave now. It's rad.
And it's not haunted.
Yeah, it's not haunted.
I don't think that
it's
microwave was...
Look, we got a microwave in October. Now we got December microwave.
Yeah.
We good.
Okay.